Hi there, students. Propinquity. Propinquity. This is a noun. It means the closeness of something, the nearness, the fact of being near it. So the propinquity of this flat to the town centre means it's a very expensive rental. It's also very convenient. The propinquity of the toilet made this a rather undesirable spot. Slough is a very good place for industry owing to its propinquity to central London. Okay, so propinquity, the fact of being close, the nearness in time or place. So notice you can use it for time as well. The propinquity of recent events means that they are very difficult to forget, but they will get forgotten in the passage of time. We can also use propinquity, meaning similarity in nature. They're very similar. So the propinquity of these two products makes them very appropriate to be made in the same factory or made on the same production line as well. And you can even use propinquity to mean the distance of relationship, of blood relationship, of kinness. So your brother has more propinquity to you than your cousin. Yeah, he's closer. Okay, so propinquity, the proximity in space. The propinquity to the river makes this area liable for flooding. The propinquity of his re-election means that everybody is very happy and very upbeat. But when the 100 days are finished, who knows? The propinquity of blood relationships. Blood is thicker than water. The higher the propinquity, the more you can trust people. Maybe, maybe not. The similarity of two things, the propinquity of these two plants is astounding. Okay, so propinquity, the nearness, the proximity, yeah, or the affiliation, the similarity. So the propinquity between the two identical twins was amazing. Okay, they looked exactly alike, and then also the propinquity in blood relationship is zero because is complete because they are identical twins. Yeah, the propinquity of non-identical twins is obviously less. Okay, so propinquity, this is a really formal noun. Yeah, I'm going to give this an 8.5. It sounds really literary for something really super formal only. I would say informally the nearness, the closeness of kinship, the similarity, the proximity, something like that, yeah? And then the origin, well, it comes from Latin propinquitas, or propinquus, neighbouring, proper, near, and inc, hence, so near to here. Yeah, near to this place. The propinquity of the forest made it very easy to go for beautiful nature walks without any problem. The propinquity of the factory chimney covered, and everything in the garden was always covered in a fine ash. Okay, so propinquity, the nearness, the closeness, the similarity. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Propinquity.